My names are Isadu Abdusamad from Isadu Media.
On today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to remove image background. We are going to be looking at how to remove image background. Then these are some of the things you need to know about images. We have, in terms of images, we have different websites where we can get images. Then when you get these images, you can easily import them into your KineMaster and use them. Some of the sites that we can get images are displayed as follows. Okay, now let's quickly go and check on how to get images from the websites mentioned above. Now to remove background, which is our main reason for this tutorial, then you type on remove background. Remove background. After typing remove background, on upload image. Then now you click on download. Wherever your image is located, okay, these are the two images that I just downloaded. So let us click on this one. Let's remove this background now so that you see how it works. We have changed this background. Then you click on download. Download it. Now let's go back to our KineMaster and continue with our editing. We are now bringing in our image. Okay. try something. Now take a look at these two pictures. One we remove the background while the other we did not remove the background. I did this so that you will see the differences between. You will see one good thing about removing background and not removing background. If you check, this one that will remove the background look more nice and good to use compared to this one that will not remove the background. So that's just how to remove background in picture. You will go to any of your browser, type on remove background, then click on upload, then click on download. That's how to remove background in whenever you want to remove
Health comes before
background for picture. So let us just do something little add to this. It's not showing, the right up now is not showing because we are having white background and our writing is still also white. So let us change it to green. Finally it has shown. Then let us see. In animation, I'm using right in. I'm using letter by letter. Yeah, I got it. Let me quickly, let me quickly add a shadow to this. It's too much. Okay, 10 is okay. Let us just leave it like this and check this out.
Health comes before wealth. It's only the
So see you guys on our next tutorial.